Barbie may have a dream house and a convertible, but if she were real, she'd also have chronic back pain. I'm Dr. Jeff LaBianco, and welcome to Posture Pop Culture, the series where we fix the posture of your favorite pop culture icon. In today's episode, we're talking about Barbie. Her exaggerated spine curve, that's called anterior pelvic tilt. That puts intense strain on the low back, compresses the spine, and makes the beach bod MIA. Now let's break it down. Here's what Barbie's posture looks like. Her hips are tipped forward, overarched low back, her ribs are flaring up, and glutes sticking out. Does that sound familiar to you? If you stand like this, you're not alone. Most people develop this swayback posture from oversitting, high heels, and weak core muscles. So let's fix this Barbie back with a few simple exercises. The first one are the posterior pelvic tilts. Lie on your back with your knees bent. Gently flatten your low back into the floor. Squeeze your glutes and hold for 5 seconds. Repeat 10 times. Next, let's move on to the wall posture drill. Stand against a wall, get the back of your head, mid-back, and tailbone touching the wall. Engage your core and tuck your ribs in. Hold for 30 seconds. Repeat 3 times daily. And to finish strong, let's stretch out the muscle that loves pulling you back into that sway back posture, the hip flexors. Stand tall and step 1 foot back into a small lunge position. Tuck your hips under while keeping your chest tall. You should feel a deep stretch across the front of your hip on your back leg. Hold for 30 seconds and then switch sides. If Barbie adds these 3 exercises to her daily exercise routine, she'll be back to shopping in no time and will have the satisfaction of sharing these life-changing exercises with all her fairy tale friends. You can fix your posture too, one stretch at a time. Subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting videos. Next up, I heard Spider-Man's cousin's in town, and we're going to talk about how she keeps her shoulders so mobile. And if you enjoyed this video, please like it and share with others. Now go ahead, click that next video, and keep popping your posture with Posture Pop Culture.
Yeah!